G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean. If you're new here and you're wondering what I talk about, I do tech reviews, unboxings and tutorials. Today we're going to be talking about the Ryzen 5 2600 CPU and AMD RX 580 graphic card, and we're going to be benchmarking some games and seeing what sort of performance we get. If you want to make sure you don't miss out on any other future videos that I do, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and let's begin. Alright guys, so before we begin these benchmarks, I'll just quickly recap the hardware that I'm using. Using the AMD Ryzen 5 2600 with an AMD RX 580 graphic card. This is the 8GB version. All the games are going to be tested at 1440p on medium settings. So enjoy these benchmarks and I'll see you at the end. Cheers. Okay guys, so now that you've seen those benchmarks, you can now know what sort of performance you can get from an AMD RX 580 8GB and the Ryzen 5 2600 CPU. If you did like this video, chuck it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, leave a thumbs down. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comment section down below. You can also reach out to me on Facebook and Instagram as well, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.